Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify coding problems like pro. Today we are solving a very popular interview question. Rotate an array by one position to the right. Sounds simple, right? But wait. We are not doing it in the boring way with a for loop like everyone else. No. We are going to level up and use an inbuilt Java method to make it smarter, faster, and cleaner. So let's dive in. So here is our problem. We have an array. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to rotate it by one position to the right. After rotation, it will be like this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might be thinking, okay, let's just use a for loop to shift the elements one by one, like this. So if you see here, it's the traditional model and it will work perfectly. No issue with that. But rather than using a loop and making it go through certain steps, we can write it in a single step because we are not just coders, we are efficient problem solvers, right? Instead of looping manually, we will use Java's System.arraycopy method. It's faster, cleaner, and way cooler to show in interviews. So let's get into our code. First, as usual, we have to get the length of the array. We will store it in the variable n. Next, we store the last element of the array in a variable called last. Because once we start shifting the elements, the value at the last position will be overwritten. By saving it here, we can use it later to place it at the start of the array. Now comes the main part, the inbuilt method system.array copy. Here it takes elements from the source array, that is our array. Then we have to give the starting index 0. Then it copies them to the destination array. So we are again using our array here. Then we have to give the starting index for the destination array. For that we are giving 1 because we have to shift the position once. Then at last the number of element it copies is n minus 1 because it shifts all elements except the last one. Just giving space here to make it looks good. In simple terms, this single line of code shifts all elements of the array one step to the right, leaving the first position empty and ready for the saved last element. At last, we have to give the last element at the first position. Array of sorry 0 equal to last, and that's it. The array has been rotated. Let's run it. Sorry, I missed time. See, you can see here. Pretty neat, right? We managed to replace a whole for loop with one elegant line of code using System.arraycopy. And interviewers love seeing stuff like this because it shows that you not only understand how to solve the problem, but you also know how to leverage built in methods to write clean, efficient code. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's done. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. And let me know in comments, have you used System.array copy before, or do you still prefer the classic for loop? Let's chat below. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one.